What's up, guys? And I got some swinkies. It costs 2. First swinkie I'm gonna show you is Francesco. They're from a 4-pack swinkies, and Francesco Bernoulli looks mighty different from the 155 scale die cuts because it's really small and they wouldn't be able to fit a lot of details. And the ball holds the car so it doesn't get lost. Next, let's start with Doc Hudson. He looks like it in the 155 scale die cast, but smaller. And here's the ball. The balls are all the same. And next, Mater. He's looking to the left. But if you're watching it, you'll think it's the right. And it's almost small, the hook, so it can't tow any of the cars, I think. And so you can see a close up, this is the hook. Last, let's be with everybody's favorite race called Lightning McQueen. He's looking at the right, but if you're watching this, you'll think it's the left.
You always say that.
And instead of saying the World Grand Prix, it has a W, G, and P for World Grand Prix. So if you have any of these squeakies, you'll know that. And last, there's a ramp. It doesn't come with every squinky. In the back it says World Grand Prix. Pull the Cosa, which is what Francesco's tires say. They're for your balls. It works with every ball. When you take 8, but it only fits 1 ball. But if you take the cars out, it fits 2 cars. See that? Let me put them back in the balls. And these, in PS, these are rubber, not plastic, not die cast, and they're even too small to even be die cast. Thanks guys for watching my videos, and stay tuned for more.